When you're shopping for headphones, sometimes the lowest price is a red flag, but when those same headphones have tens of thousands of nearly 5-star reviews online, you have to wonder what you might be missing.
That's why I ordered a pair of the OneOdio C Studio wireless over-ear headphones. I had to see these for myself. I've reviewed probably over 50 pairs of headphones, so in this review I'll tell you what these are like when it comes to sound quality, whether they're comfortable and easy to wear, and what you're getting for the price.
I'll also take a look at the flimsy feeling all-plastic construction and tell you whether this makes these headphones a deal breaker.
I'll wrap things up with the pros and the cons, and I'll let you know if I think I can recommend these headphones to you.
Let's kick this off with what you get in the box. Launched way back in 2019, these are still a hot seller on sites like Amazon. They come with a nice drawstring bag. You also get a 3.5mm aux cable and an outdated feeling micro USB charging cable. Now the looks here ticks a lot of boxes for studio headphones. With DJ stylings, you can also rotate or flip the ear cups, which is an essential feature for one-ear listening. Now, maybe not surprisingly, OneOdio is made entirely of plastic with some decent faux leather cushioning on the ear cups and headband. Interestingly, the ear pad cushions are replaceable. The right ear cup features the sole 3.5mm jack along with a trio of physical buttons for controlling playback and volume. The central button has multiple functions ranging from powering the headphones to Bluetooth toggling and also play, pause, and stopping phone calls.
The plastic build has two immediate and noticeable effects. The first thing is it makes these headphones incredibly light, which can be a huge benefit. The other thing it does, though, is it creates a rather creaky construction. Touching the headphones or moving them around or even pressing any of the buttons often results in them sounding hollow and empty, kind of like if you put a plastic bowl over your ear and tapped it.
The lightweight actually makes these quite wearable even for long listening sessions. The headband doesn't have a lot of pinch. The part I liked least about these is that the ear cups are a bit awkwardly shaped, so they feel like they're enclosing my ears a bit more than some other over-ear headphones. In a nutshell, I'd call these reasonably comfortable, if not luxurious.
One of the most important thing about headphones is the sound quality, and I gotta say the OneOdio C Studios were shockingly impressive.
The bass, for starters, is really powerful and rich sounding, and with these all wrapped around your ears, it can be quite head-filling.
The vocals come across as really delicate and clear, and the overall balance of these headphones was really good. I've listened to headphones that cost about 5 times as much that don't make a first impression like these do. Overall, the sound quality is, in a word, awesome. When it came to the connectivity, I found I was able to walk all around the house while wearing these, and they still stayed connected to my MacBook in my office several rooms away.
With its 1000 mAh battery, OneOdio estimates an astonishing 110 hours worth of playback time, though that figure can vary depending on your volume levels.
I did my best to exhaust the battery in these during my testing period, which lasted for about a week. Now, given the 110-hour battery life would take you to about 13 days when listening for about 8 hours a day, I think my math is correct, it's going to take me a lot longer to try and run these out. For the moment, I can confirm the battery life does seem like it is as advertised.
Recharging takes about 4 or 5 hours, which is a long time, but you can make things easier by plugging them in overnight. These cans have a built-in microphone for phone or video calls. I used them to tune into a Zoom seminar, and they actually did a really great job at making the voices sound clear. When I made regular phone calls, my callers sounded great, and they said I did too.
Overall, the OneOdio C Studio Wireless is a solid option if you're in the market for DJ or studio style headphones, but you have a hard budget cap. It has the physical looks and features to be worthy of the studio name, and the audio quality is shockingly good, especially in wired mode. The battery life is killer, and so is the connectivity. The biggest downside of these headphones is that the all-plastic build does feel cheap and can seem kind of creaky if you don't have any audio playing to mask it. Of course, you could say the lack of more advanced technologies like noise cancellation is a downside, but you're just not going to find that kind of technology in a pair of headphones at this price point. That would be like comparing apples to orangutans. In short, while these headphones seem cheap, both in price and in build quality, they actually win where it counts, in sound quality and long battery life. I think these are a super steal and well worth the $50 US or $70 Canadian price tag. I can definitely recommend the OneOdio C Studio wireless headphones to you. You can get them from OneAudio's website or from Amazon. And of course, you can see what purchasing much pricier over-ear headphones will get you, or check out why I decided to send my Apple AirPods Max back right now.